Hello students, utilization of electrical energy. Today we learn halogen bulb. There are majorly two types of halogen bulbs are available in the market. One is single-ended and another is double-ended. Last figure which is shows the schematic diagram of the halogen bulb. Now halogen lamp principle, amount of radiations in visible spectrum increase as the temperature of incandescent material increase up to 6000 degree absolute temperature. Means this is one kind of incandescent lamp. So there are three incandescent lamp. First one is carbon, another is metal filament lamp, and third one is halogen lamp. So therefore any material will be suitable and will have a high radiant efficiency which has a high melting point. So carbon and tungsten are better choice for filament lamp having a melting point of 3500 degrees centigrade. So what is halogen lamp now? Halogen lamp is a special type of tungsten filament lamp which was developed in 1959. In this lamp, a small amount of halogen vapor is added to the inert gas of the bulb. So its glass bulb is small in size and mechanically strong. So it operates at a temperature approx 3000 degrees centigrade. Now the halogen lamp is also known as quartz halogen and tungsten halogen also. It is an advanced form of incandescent lamp. So the filament is composed of ductile tungsten and located in a glass filled bulb just like a standard tungsten bulb. However, the gas in the halogen bulb is at a high pressure. So the glass bulb is made of fused quartz, high silica glass or aluminosilicate. So this bulb is stronger than the standard glass in order to contain the high pressure. So this lamp has been an industry standard for work lights and film or television also due to compact size and a high lumen output. The halogen bulb is being replaced slowly by the white LED array lamp and miniature HID or a fluorescent lamps. Now this is the construction figure of the left hand side that I will show you. So there are two types, as I said, single-ended and double-ended. So there are two ends. Between this halogen gas is filled in the glass tube. Tungsten support are given, filament, high melting glass. So the halogen lamp, also known as a tungsten halogen, quartz halogen or quartz iodine lamp, is an incandescent lamp consists of a tungsten filament sealed into a compact transparent envelope that is filled with a mixture of inert gas and a small amount of halogen such as a. So what kind of halogen gas which we are going to filled with the tube is iodine or bromide. So particularly how it works. So the halogen lamp has a tungsten filament similar to a standard incandescent lamps. So however the lamp is much smaller for the same wattage and contains the halogen gas in the bulb. So the halogen is important in that it stops the blackening and slows the thinning of tungsten filament. So this lengthens the life of the bulb and allows the tungsten to safely reach higher temperature. Therefore makes more light. So the bulb must be able to stand at high temperature. So fused quartz is oftenly used instead of normal silica glass. So here we use a quartz material. A halogen is a monovalent element which readily forms negative ions. So there are 5 halogens: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and acetone. So only iodine and bromine are used in halogen tungsten bulb. So here we are just use iodine and bromine as a in the halogen bulb. So the lamp is turned on, the filament begins to glow red as more current passes through it. It's an incandescent bulb. So the working of this bulb is exactly like a filament bulb. So more current passes through it. So the temperature rapidly increases. The halogens boil to gas. So the halogen boils to a gas at relatively low temperature. Iodine is 184 degrees centigrade. If bromine, then it is 59 degrees centigrade. So normally tungsten atoms evaporates off of the filament, deposit on inside the bulb. So this blackens the normal incandescent bulb. As atom leave the filament gets thinner. Eventually the filament breaks, usually at the end of the filament. In a halogen tungsten lamp, the tungsten atoms chemically unite with the halogen gas molecules, and when the halogen will cool, the tungsten is redeposited back on the filaments. So this process is called halogen cycle. So we go little with the halogen cycles. So drawbacks for the carbon and metal filament lamp, which is overcome with this halogen bulb. In carbon vaporizes very fast, where its working temperature is 1800 degrees centigrade. So large electrical input is required to produce given a candle power. So thus the efficiency is low in carbon filament lamp. So vaporizations of carbon results into the blackening of inside the bulb. So this phenomena is pronounced with carbon that tungsten employed bulbs. Then market available tungsten employed bulbs. So in 1959, along with the argon gas, filling iodine was added and drawback was eliminated. So the drawback is the previous two incandescent bulb, first carbon, second metal filament lamp. What is the drawback for that? Blackening of inside of the bulb, and the efficiency is less. Because of that, the efficiency is less. So these two drawbacks are overcome with the use of this halogen bulb. So the evaporated tungsten of filament on reaching the relative low temperature, so near the wall of the envelope, forms a compound of tungsten iodine and is represented by the chemical reactions. So we can say that this is the chemical reactions where W plus NX, so it makes a W into XN. So W is tungsten, X is halogen, and S is the number of atoms. Now the tungsten iodine is very volatile, suffers thermal diffusion in the direction of filament, and on reaching the filament at high temperature, it decomposes. Then it will decompose. At the high temperature, this will decompose. So we decompose the tungsten and halogen as follows. Now after decompositions, it will become like that. Again W plus NX. So the tungsten so released is deposited back on the filament. So when it cool down, comes back. So iodine therefore works as a transport gas. In this way, the evaporated tungsten is restored. It's again restored into the filament by the iodine regenerative cycle. So the total phenomena is called a regenerative cycle. So in order that a regenerative cycle should function properly, it is necessary to maintain relative high bulb wall temperature of 250 degrees centigrade. So for this reason, quartz is chosen. That's why we use a quartz as a material for the glass. Chosen as an envelope material, and its size is kept very small. And quartz also facilitate high gas filling ratios, so which is capable of giving higher light output. So it generates lumens per watt 10 to 35. Its life is 1700 to 2500 hours, more than carbon and the metal filament bulb. Color temperature 28 degree to 3400 degree Kelvin. Warm up time instant. Common use, its use portable work light, film, television production lighting, home interior lighting, home and commercial exterior lighting, auto headlights, etc. So the applications we go through in detail. So the halogen bulbs come into two basic configurations, single and double-ended. The most common halogen lamps are double-ended. So these generally are the larger voltage lamp and are used for work light and yard light and film production lamps. So the halogen lamp has an instant on ability. So this is the positive things which occurs in the halogen. That's why we are going to choose halogen bulb. It has an instant on ability, unlike a mercury vapor or high pressure sodium. Therefore, they work well for security lamps that are actively activated by motion sensors. That is activated by the motion sensors. So the life of halogen lamp is shortened by frequent on and off cycle. If on and off cycles will increase, the lifespan of this particular halogen bulb, it will be reduced. So another use of halogen lamp which has grown since 1990s has been home and commercial lighting. So the halogen track light is popular way to provide quality light to specific area of food preparations, paintings, wall hangings and general mood hangings. So the halogen lamp is fully dimmable unlike compact CFL, compact fluorescent lamp. So the halogen consumes very little energy and has a longer life when dimmed. So advantage, halogen lamps are small, lightweight, low cost to produce, does not use mercury like CFLs or mercury vapor lights, better color temperature than the standard tungsten. It is closer to sunlight than the more orangey standard tungstens, longer life than conventional incandescent. As we know that our conventional incandescent lamp has 700 hours, where the halogen bulb have 1700 hours. So instead on to full brightness on warm up time and it is dimmable. So disadvantage of this halogen bulb, extremely hot, easily capable of causing sunburns if the lamp is touched. The lamp is sensitive to oil left by the human skins. If you touch the bulb with your bare hands, and oil left behind will heat up once the bulb is activated. So this oil may cause an imbalance and result in rupture of the bulb. Now explosion, the bulb is capable of blowing and sending hot glass shed outwards. A screen or layer of glass on the outside of the lamp can protect users. Not as efficient as HID, metal halide and HPS lamp. So these are some disadvantage of halogen bulb. Thank you very much.